So here on this side of the house, I see a bunch of mildew here and black mold, so we're gonna get this off of this side, and we'll see it slowly disappear as the chemicals eat it off. And that's usually what happens when you put the SH on with the soap. We will let the chemicals do the job, no high pressure at all, and it will take care of this side of the house. And I'm just going to double it and make it look great. Get all that black off, and as you see, it's already ate it off. So now all I got to do is just a thorough rinse, and this side will be nice and clean.